Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. Today we have got the Hot Wheels Silver series of Toyota. I finally got my hands on it. I ordered it through Amazon and the packaging quality is not that good. It kind of got damaged in transit and I ordered all of the five that is available from this Toyota Silver series, and this one has the most amount of damage. So yeah, so this is the fourth one out of the five. A very nice card art as usual from Hot Wheels, and yeah, as you can see, right, we have the damages here. It is a bit bent here. So yeah, the blister quality is not that good, and also if you have noticed, like we have bits of paper already inside the packaging, okay, on the top as well. I am hoping that those are pieces of paper and not scratches or marks, something like that. It is here as well, and I guess that happened because there's a hole here. So yeah, fingers crossed that the actual car is intact. Let's unbox this. And yes, I got a new knife. Finally, right. I actually wanted to trim it just from the sides, but I guess, yeah, it is of no use. I need to just tear it off. Okay, here's the car. I Let me see. Okay. There was an issue with the camera. It just shut down. Meanwhile, off the camera, I just cleaned up the car, and yeah, as you can see, those were just paper. So those are not dents or damages. Okay, let's focus on the actual car. Looks really nice. This metallic fleck paint, right? It gives a nice, what to say, a shine to it. The wheels roll smoothly, as you can see. And on the front, yes, of course, those are stickers. And we have some painted indicators, which is nice. On the top, we have the sunroof. Okay. And the back, we have a tire. Oh, and also the backlights are painted. Looks nice. The base, guys, yeah, it is not of metal, it is of plastic. No details, of course. We just have this exhaust here, and that's it. One interesting fact about this Toyota Land Cruiser 80 is, like, there are cars which have been driven over 1 million kilometers. Can you imagine the durability of these cars? Let me zoom in. This is the front. We have some light details, minor of course, but yeah, it is there. Definitely it is better than the main lines. And yeah, on the back nothing. And of course the tires are plastic, but here we have the Hot Wheels text here, which is a nice touch. Okay, that's all. And okay, oh okay, we have some wiper details. Okay, I was not expecting that, but I guess since it's a silver series, we have it. Let us do a quick roll test. Yeah, rolls really smoothly. I will definitely say, out of all the five, you should definitely get this one. Like, this is a must have. All right, that's all from this video, guys. See you on the next one.